In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Evernote template. Creating templates can dramatically streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity by ensuring you have everything in place to start your projects without repeatedly setting up from scratch. Whether you're consistently writing meeting notes, designing your travel itinerary, or compiling research summaries, having a ready-to-go template can be remarkably beneficial. Let's dive into the steps to create your very own Evernote template. First, you'll want to prepare your note with the layout and any content you plan to reuse. This could include headings, table structures, checklists, or prompts that you typically use. Take a moment to consider what elements will make your notes most effective. The idea here is to create a blueprint of sorts, capturing the essential structure you need. This preparatory step ensures that every time you open your template, you won't have to reinvent the wheel. So, take your time in this phase to think about everything you might include regularly. Remember, a well-prepared template today can save you loads of time in the future. Once your note is prepared to your liking, the next step is a breeze. Locate the three-dot menu, also known as the More Actions button, conveniently found in the upper right corner of your note. Clicking or tapping on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. It might feel like just one of many steps, but this menu is your gateway to turning your carefully crafted note into a reusable template. Feel free to hover over or tap gently if it helps with navigation. In the menu, you're going to look for the option that says Save as Template. Selecting this option is where the magic happens. This will open up a simple interface that guides you through naming your template. This is an integral part because naming your template something memorable and descriptive will help you easily locate it later on when your collection of templates grows. Choose a name that's logical and indicative of its purpose, whether it's weekly meeting agenda or travel packing list. Once you've decided on the perfect name, simply click or tap Save. This action will archive your newly created template in your Evernote account. From here on out, this template is ready and waiting whenever you need to spring into action with a new note of the same type. You've essentially created a shortcut to more efficient note-taking, ensuring everything is in place each time without the setup. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've harnessed the power of templates in Evernote to reduce repetitive work and increase your productivity. Remember to revisit your templates occasionally to update or modify them as your needs evolve. Taking a moment to create and refine your templates today will make you a more efficient note-taker tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your productivity levels high.